clean cut. So same way I'm going to take one more A4 sheet mount board and I'm going to draw it the same way, same design, and I'm going to cut it. So these are the two windows we are going to create for the side of a temple. So these are the two which I have already cut, and now we are going to apply red paper on it. This is a red normal paper, so whichever I had I have just applied, and I had really little paper so I was working with it only. So apply it one side properly, and all the extras you are going to cut it out. For the other board also we are going to do the same thing. We have applied Fevicol and we have applied the paper, and we are going to cut out all the extra part. Now on this next opposite side we are going to do the same way. So both the side papers are applied, the red paper is applied. Whenever you apply Fevicol, just make it really smooth because you don't want excess Fevicol on your mount board. After applying that, we are going to take a golden paper, and from there you can take golden paper, you can take golden strips, anything what you have at home. So I had a golden paper. From there I'm going to remove a very small strips, and I just want to make some grills for the window of my um, temple. I'm just cutting out 12 to 20 strips, so whenever I'm working it's enough. Now I'll take one strip and I'll fold it into two. Just apply Fevicol on it. And now we are going to apply that on the edge. I hope you can see how I have applied it. Both the side, make a center part and just apply it. This is the way how you apply it for the corners. Same way we are going to do for the both the sheets. Now both the windows are ready, and let's do the grills. I'm taking the same strips and I'm making the grills. Fold it into two and just apply Fevicol into it and just press it so you get a thick paper. Apply Fevicol into it and just press it so you get a thick paper. Just do this for all your strips. And now we are going to go crisscross. This is the slanting way we are applying the strips. I'm applying both the side Fevicol so it can be stuck. If it doesn't stick properly, then you can go on adding more little more of Fevicol. Same way we are going to go on and on for the both the sheets. Here we have completed it, and we just want to fix all the ends. So I'm just taking a bigger broader strip, and I'm just going to apply for the edges. Whenever you go for a curve, then just bend a little bit so you get a proper curve over there. I hope you can see the bends how I have done it. Same way we are going to do for the both the windows. Here our windows are ready, and now let's keep aside. We are going to take one more A4 sheet of mount board, and we are going to apply the same red paper on it. If you have a full size paper, then you can apply that, because I had a really little amount of it, so I just don't wanted to waste anything, so I was doing this. Just cut out all the excess and apply this only for one side. Now we are going to decorate this. If you have a silver paper, golden paper, I had some glitters. These are sticker glitters, so I had some glitters with me, so with that only I was working. So I'm just going to cut circle with it, and this has a sticker in on the opposite side. So just remove, I have just removed the paper and I have just stuck it. So if you have some paper, then you can use Fevicol or glue, anything. So this is the round I had, this is the back of the temple. So I just wanted to create really dramatic something effect on it. So I'm just going to cut out some strips of golden stickers, and just remove one strips and apply on the sheet. And you can apply anyhow, I just went it circular way. You can go on any design you can create it. It's like your creativity, your style and your way. So I just wanted this way, so I did it this way. You can just finish it off doing one circle also, anything you prefer. After that I have just applied one small um, little bit of gaps are there, so I just filled it with the same golden strips, and here it is ready. I have then used the same strips for the windows also. For the back, for the front side, back side we had applied the thick golden paper for the closing of the your edges. So this is the front side. Now this is ready, and now we are going to take one more A4 sheet, apply Fevicol on it, and applying the same paper whatever I had with me. So applied both the side, because this is the cover of the closing of the temple, the top closing of the temple. Apply a generous amount of Fevicol on the mount board, and this is the one side I apply, and this is the second side. I hope you can understand whatever I am explaining, because this is the first time I'm explaining something in so detail. And if you have missed out something, or if I didn't explain anything, then please do comment me. So um, yeah, now we'll stick all together. Now I'm going to take one window side and the backdrop, and just using my glue gun, and I'm just going to stick it up. Same way I'm going to do the other side also. I will apply glue gun, and I'll just stick it up. Just now the sheet we had made with both the side of red paper, same we are going to take, we are going to apply it with the glue, and we are going to fix it up. Here our square is ready. Here our temple, starting temple is ready. Now we are going to take one more A4 sheet, and now we are going to do the top part of the temple. So just cut for two big size of 1 inch strips and two small size of 1 inch strip. I had not taken any of the measurements, so it was like random. So if you are really measuremental person and you do a really proper measurements and all, then you can go with measurements, but I have not taken a measurement. I just took one side longer, one side short, and with that size I had cut a square. So same way, apply paper on it like red paper, and I'm just going to cut it out all the edges, and we are going to do the mukhur, it's called, I hope. Please comment and tell me. So we are just going to make the mukhur. Apply with the glue gun same way and create few boxes, like 1 2 3 boxes we need. So same way we are going to create boxes. These are 3 sides boxes. Apply glue gun, and you can close the lid. Here your box is ready. Same way we are going to do one more. So here our 3 boxes are ready. One big, then small, then smallest. Same way, create it again. Just put sorry, glue gun, and just apply, make the box. All the boxes, before you stick them, please don't forget to apply red paper on it, or you can paint it, you can do anything, but do before you stick it. That way I prefer. If you prefer after doing it, that also is okay. So here your 3 boxes are ready, and just paste it on top of one another. So here's a big box, smaller, and then smallest. And then you can cover it with some glitter, and you can put a flag over there. So this is how we complete it. And then we are going to make one more box same way with a golden paper. Same 4 sides, and just apply a lid on it same way. It's really simple. You need just a glue gun and some papers, and that's it. Here our box is ready. I felt like decorating it, because this was this stage, or the stand where I was would keep inside the temple. So I wanted to decorate it where on that I could keep my goddess. So I decorated it. You can take golden strips, red strip. I have taken a golden strip and red strip, so you can take any of it. And same way, this one more box is made, and I'll just turn it out. You can take 4 like this of 2 inches, and you can just join it with the square. Apply a paper, and just apply strips, glitter strips. That's it. Here I have not applied any paper. Here I have not applied, only 2 side I have applied paper. Okay, that's it, and nothing else. It's such a easy thing. This is the smaller box. These both the boxes are same way. This is a smaller box, and this is the big box. That way.